Today I'm going to show you how to weave a piece of cardboard. So you've been learning about how goats, in our story, this goat's wool was woven into a rug, and you've read a little bit more about basket weaving, so we are going to practice doing some weaving. So this is what your finished product will look like, and the back will have some ends. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to get a piece of cardboard and a ruler, and you're going to mark every inch on your cardboard, every 1 inch. Like this. Marking at every inch. And then you turn, line it up again, mark out each inch. Turn, mark again, lining it up. And the last side. There are 4 sides, which means it is a quadrilateral. And because every side is the same length and they are meeting at a perfect right angle is what that's called, we know that this particular shape is a square. Anyway, the next step, you'll take a pair of scissors and you will cut, not very far in. See, I'm barely going in at all. And you're going to cut at every one of those inch marks. Less than a centimeter in. Remember, you can always look at your ruler for about how much a centimeter is. Less than that. Turn it, go all the way around, making those little slits. That's what's going to hold your yarn. One more side. Alright, so now I am ready for the next step. All of my sides have been cut just a little bit. I'm going to get a ball of yarn. Now, this, you're going to actually get one that is attached to the ball still. Your color doesn't matter. What you do is you take it and you put it in one of the first slits, and it's kind of stuck there. Then you're going to go straight across, put it in the next one. You're going to wrap it around the back, come to the front, hook it through, wrap again, hook it through, wrap again, hook it through, wrap again, hook it through. Now if you turn it over, you'll notice that this is the back. You know that because you have your first end, and also they are at a diagonal slant. The next thing you'll do is quick snip. So now you have one part of your weaving done. Next, you're going to grab 5 strands of the short yarn and this is where you're actually going to be weaving. So you take one of your short strands, you'll need 5 because there are 5 rows, and you will put it in there. You go over, and then you go under the next one. Then you skip this one, which means you'll go over it, and then you go under the next one. And there's not another one, so I just hook it off. Next, you take your second one. You hook it in. Now, you want it to be the opposite of this one. So, I went over that first one the first time, so this time I'm going under. Then I skip one, so it goes over, under, over, under. Now I'm going back to that first pattern with my third one. So I hook it in. I went under, so this time I'm going over, under, over, under, hook. And you finish that with the last two. And then you will end up with your finished product. I hope you enjoy this little activity. Remember to help each other.